To start working with Swift and building iOS projects, we'll need Xcode. Xcode is Apple's official integrated development environment for creating apps. After using it for a while, I can say, it's not perfect, but I love it. In this video, we'll download Xcode and take a quick tour of the IDE. Let's first make sure our Mac is up to date. Hit Command plus Spacebar to open Spotlight Search, type Software Update, and press Enter. My system is up to date. If yours isn't, please make sure to update before starting. This ensures you get the latest version of Xcode. I try to check for updates once a week. Now we can open the App Store. Command plus Space, App, Enter. Type Xcode in the search bar. Just a heads up, I've downloaded Xcode before and deleted it for this video. Therefore, my icon shows a cloud. If this is your first time, you might see the word Git. Click on the icon that shows for you and wait for it to download. Xcode has finished downloading. I'll hit open. We get to choose what components to start with. macOS is default, and I'll also select iOS 18.2. Feel free to get any that interest you. When you're done, press download and install. Enter your Mac password. Install software. A quick note about what's new in Xcode shows up. Read it if you like, then hit continue. We finally see Xcode starting screen. To get into the IDE, I'll select create new project, iOS, app, next. For the name, I'll just go with Hello World. For team, I'll sign into my Apple ID. I can close the window after that. Now I have the option to select myself as a team. I'll leave it at none. Organization identifier is your company domain. I'll go with the example. We can leave the rest of the options default and hit next. Choose where you want this project. I'll just put it on my desktop. Create. Our project is ready to go. Hit Command-Control-F to go full screen. We can finally take a tour of Xcode. I'll keep it beginner friendly and just cover the must-know basics. Starting from the left, we have our navigator pane. This helps us manage project files, search for text, and access different utilities. Right now, I'm in search, but I can click on the file icon to view and open project files. At the top left, we have the editor options button. Clicking it hides the navigator pane to give you more coding room. Another click reopens it. To the right, we have the play button to run our code. I usually just use Command R, but the button works too. The middle, of course, is our code editor. At the top, we have our target devices. Drop it down to see all available emulators. I usually select the latest device, but you can select the one you like. We have our preview canvas to the right. As you build Swift UI code, the canvas updates in real time. I like to drag the canvas to the cloud icon for more space. If you drag it all the way to the right, it'll disappear. Fear not, you can click on the lines icon, select canvas, and it's back. To the left of the canvas, we have Minimap. This helps show marks and to do comments in our code. I usually hide it by clicking on the lines icon and selecting Minimap. The right navigator pane is called the inspector. The inspector can do a lot of things, but most importantly, you can set properties for variables. Right now, I'm defaulted to the adjust editor options, where I can tweak settings. I just need to select a code element. A great feature in the inspector is the quick help guide. I'll open it by clicking the question mark icon. Because our cursor is on the image element, quick help gives more information about image. Helpful if you ever need more details on some code. We can click on the editor option button to hide and unhide. To wrap up, let's run this code so I can show you one more thing. Make sure your target device is selected and hit Command R or the play button. At the bottom, we have our log. This is where we can see print statements or errors for debugging. If yours isn't showing, try selecting the right editor split button. We can click the trash can to clear previous statements before running. And finally, use the top editor split button to hide or unhide the log. Xcode has a lot more features, but that should be enough to get you started. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next one.